With exercise 9, it's a mixed exercise with all the stuff we did now for unit 5.1. So in here, I'm not going to give you guys the answers. I'm not going to do this with you. I'll just quickly run through everything. You will need to pause the video wherever you need to pause for you and able to do the sums. So let's start. 9.1, 9.2. They ask you name all the parallel and perpendicular lines, noem al die lyne wat ewewydig en loodreg is. So parallel of ewewydig, remember, would look like this. I'm just writing numbers. I'm not saying that's an answer. So that would tell me it's parallel or ewewydig. And then perpendicular would be, of loodreg would be that line there. So you can give those answers. And I'll tell you this, in each answer there's one parallel, ewewydige lyn, and one perpendicular, loodreg. So you will have one answer like this with each, but I'm not going to give you the size, the numbers. 9.3, it says noem die volgende vierhoeke, name the polygons. So you're just going to give me the names for, well, all those polygons.